a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Hold up, I'm trying to do something right now. Just leave me alone. I gotta get caught. Leave me without you. Leave me alone. We're gonna go to the side. We're gonna do that. Little black jean jacket, yeah. Got V long on it, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Wanna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Got that bad bitch, yeah. Tryna fuck me, my homie, yeah. Shawty gon' suck to the money, yeah. I can't wait no daddy, yeah. Pay that bitch to the homie, yeah. I just fucked your daddy, yeah. I ain't even pass to the homie, yeah. We might ride ya, homie. We might rob ya, homie. We might rob ya, homie. I'd rather get caught with it than without it. Wake up and smell the motherfucking coffee. I'm about to put the boys in the coffee. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah.
I've been to Atlanta.
Most definitely been so.
With who?
No cap and gown, I ain't go to class. I'd rather die before I come in last.
So you just send me your address, you just send me your address. You forget?
I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. I ain't had shit in a long time. 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 Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah.
Go on, my people. What go on? How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing this morning? What is good, my people? What is good? Hope you all are doing great this morning. So what do we have? Yesterday was a wild New York. It was a wild New York. It was very interesting. So what do we have for today? Thursday. What do you have for Thursday? You know, we got core PPI. We got PPI this morning, New York session. Excuse me. At 30:30, and then obviously you got them yens there, and then tomorrow is not that much either. So trader, what's up, man? Are you good? What is up? What is up? What is up? So yeah, today we don't really have much, just dollar at New York, which is nothing we have to worry about right now because we're in the London. We'll just see that during the New York. So yesterday was very interesting, honestly. It was a very interesting session, especially for the gold. I actually took a buy here on gold, which I'd actually go through that right now. I actually took a buy. Initially I wanted to sell, right? But let me just go through the buy on why I took the buy. As you can see, prices tanked down from that. This is the H4. It's a H4 auto block, bearish breakup block, and as you can see, prices tanked down. Initially I wanted to sell, and then we made this low, and then prices went up. Even though prices did fail to take out that high there, I just told myself that okay, it's fine, let me just try to look for buys, and then I use this order block, this bullish order block here. So actually scalping power, sit, man. How's it? Hope you're good. So yeah, took a buy there using this order block then, and yeah, it was a very nice trade, even though initially I was targeting that high there, but I made sure that I close everything right here. As you can see there, that's where I closed everything, just for the news coming. I don't want to get caught up in the news. And then as you can see, yeah, it went, if I was actually holding until TP, I would have hit SL. So I just made sure that I close everything there. I close everything. You're good. Are you going to buy gold today? Not yet. I don't know. I haven't really fully analyzed to see what I'm actually expecting for the day. But initially I actually wanted to sell gold during the New York session yesterday using this order block, but my bearish order block, where is it? Bearish breakup block. I actually wanted to sell gold yesterday, but I didn't get a setup here because prices went there. As you can see, we wicked above, but we still closed inside. I was actually waiting for like a 15-minute market structure shift or a 5-minute, either one, which I actually got a 5-minute structure, but it didn't actually play out. As you can see, it actually played out a little bit later after I took my trades, but I didn't want to get involved again. I actually wanted price actually use this breakup block, close below it, and then go back to retest it, and then so I can take a sell. So yeah, prices didn't do that. As you can see, we just started tanking down, and then we rebalanced this 5-minute BC. That's when I actually considered taking my trade. And then the reason why I also took the buy there was because of the Hold up. What's up, man? How are you doing? So that's the reason why OTE prices went down, tagged in the OTE setup. So I got that OTE setup. That's why I even bought gold yesterday. But initially I wanted to sell, and then as you can see, prices actually came and reclaimed that breakup block, that bearish breakup block. It did, even though it did close a little bit above it. But if I still had my orders there, I would have been tagged in for a sell, for a very nice sell. And then my target was at the London high, or the low that we actually created here, and I'd have hit my TP, honestly. But because I took my piece and ran, I didn't want to touch it anyway. So yeah, this was actually a good trade, which actually helped me. That was the last trade on the 150k. I mean 100k on Top Step, which I'm actually just waiting to actually initiate my first withdrawal on the account. I just want to pay the trader, then we can continue from there. So yeah, which I'll actually go through that in a minute. I see my chat. Why didn't you guys tell me that the chat is not there? There we go. So yeah, I was also planning to sell gold yesterday, but due to FOMC, didn't even sell gold. Yeah, I didn't wanna. I waited for everything to happen. Even this, I didn't trade this. I didn't trade this. However, KB, I'm not sure if he's here. He actually caught the buy, but for me, I didn't actually take any trade here on the during the news. This buy, I didn't wanna, because I'm actually waiting for liquidity sweep. I expected price actually take out London low for me to actually buy it off, but this just happened within a second, so I don't want to participate in that. Davani, man, what's up? What is good, bro? What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good? So yeah, and then as of today on gold, I don't have much. I don't really have much. I'm waiting for price actually take out Asia low to get some decent buys, you know, to get some decent buys. And then I saw on the 5-minute we have the like auto block down there, which price actually just failed to actually take it in. We got this auto block there. If price can also tap into that auto block and give us a higher price, that might be something, but as for me, that's not what I'm waiting for. And then I wouldn't consider this as a market structure shift, but it's not a high probability market structure shift because this fair value gap is above this high. So I'm not gonna consider that as an entry. So a part of me actually wants to see Asia low swept before we can actually go higher. I got in that move in paper trading, though, but what was the reason? What was the reason of the move, though? Davani, what was the reason? What was the entry of this buy? What was the reason? I'm like, I realized that most of the time, yeah, I'll take a trade, right? Especially with news, FOMC, NFP, I get in the move, but when I look at the reason why I went in, there's no reason. It was just like a gambling mindset behind that trade, you know. Yeah, it's dope. You made money. I made money. It was dope, but like, is it something that I can take every single time we get the news? We get the code. Yeah, there's a CPI code. CPI. Can I do the same thing every time I trade CPI? No, because there was nothing that I actually took. There was nothing that I was actually waiting for. There was no entry. So if you can actually use the same setup every time you trade CPI and it works out, stick to that. That's dope. But if there was nothing, it was actually pointless. Even though you made money, it doesn't really benefit you to your skills anyway. It just gave you money. Above W move, range breakout. What? I'm talking about this. Something like this. Because this is a breakout, right? Yeah, some people, yeah. This is a breakout. Pa. Out. And then I wonder if on a 1 hour, 1 minute time frame, Jesus Christ, was it a retest? Yeah, it was like a smaller retest. Breakout. Prices came in, back in to retest this. I'd consider this as a market structure shift. As you can see, prices came. So looking at the 1 minute, yeah, there was a nice setup, little setup here that you could have just used to actually take a buy, you know. So yeah, breakout, and then market structure shift, breakout, and then came back to retest with the in the BC. So yeah, this was a good trade to actually consider taking. Clean, very clean. So if you can do the same thing and you have a winning rate above 50%, sure, why the fuck not? Why the fuck not? Because the risk is very high. You know very well that you're just only risking here, even though you can get slippage, right? But if you can risk a little bit around here and catch all of this, even if your win rate is 30%, you'll still make back, literally. So yeah, EURUSD update, please. Yeah, I'll get into that in a few minutes. Definitely get into that in a few minutes. Yesterday's EURUSD just took off. It was a very nasty trade. So with the gold, I'm expecting lows to be taken out, Asia low to be taken out, honestly. Even though I don't see a point of us doing that, because we already took out yesterday's range low. As you can see, yesterday we were just ranging on gold, and we took it out here during Asia, tagged into that. It's probably like a, yeah, tagged into that inversion there. We also got the inversion. Jesus, tagged into the inversion fair value gap there. Price is reversing, so I don't see a point of us actually going more lower, getting more lower prices, unless we're going for this sell side here. So we're probably just gonna keep going higher, but we'll see as the day progresses. I catch first candle only. I can't stay for long. Yeah. That's enough. That's enough. EURUSD. I can see we took out Asia low. I don't want to touch this today. Anything to do straight with the dollar right now. I mean, like, looking, let's jump to the dollar first. Target hit. Let's jump to the dollar first. All right. Looking at the, it was a daily, right? It's a daily. Yeah, it's a daily order block. I like how price is reversed off of that, this daily order block, bullish order block. I like how price is just yesterday just tapped into that and then started reversing. This is very clean price action. And then next join liquidity, there was an external liquidity into internal liquidity. Now it's going for that 20. I'm betting my money on that 20 days high. Honestly, I'm betting my money on DXY to actually take out that 20 days high. So I think that's where the next join liquidity is going, or just buy side liquidity, you know, but we'll see. And then with that being said, should expect some more lower prices on the EURUSD, right? Did the EURUSD do the same thing? We didn't actually tag into this order block here, but we did rebalance this CB, right? We did rebalance the CB, so I'm also expecting more lower prices. And then if you also check the IPTA data on the EURUSD, you know, tagged into the price, what is this, open price for June, and then now it's reversing. So I'm also expecting more lower prices, unless price is just gonna reject off of this inversion and then give us more higher prices. But if only if the dollar index keeps continue going up, we should get more lower prices here. Probably gonna target that 40 days low, because we already taken out the 20 days low. So yeah, we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. Very interested in seeing that. Looking to sell NAS today. Yeah, I mean, like, we've been creating more higher prices, but the question is where you're gonna sell it to from. But we'll just go through that. So yeah, that's what I have on EURUSD. Lower prices. Currently we're in a discount for the day, so that might be tricky. It might be a case where, like, we're just collecting more lower prices for the day and then we get higher prices. And also we have this CB here, and if price decides to actually go back into it, I would like to see it reject from the halfway point at least. I don't want it to fill the whole thing, because if it does fill the whole thing, I don't think it'll actually respect it. It might just continue going up. But if it can actually go, if we get higher prices now, I wanted to see reject from the consequent encroachment. then give us more lower prices. That's what I'm expecting on the dollar, but overall I'm expecting lower prices. My directional bias is lower prices. And then can you analyze gold from 1 month to H1? We'll do that in a minute. You said Nas is just nasty. I got that big ass volume imbalance or a new day opening gap, because this is futures, remember, because probably on the CFD there's candlesticks here, but there's futures they close. So yeah, but if you're saying you want to sell, man, we're just creating higher prices. Just keep creating higher prices. So if you want to sell, where are you gonna sell? Gonna need to see a whole lot of bearish PD arrays. You're gonna need to see all this candle 1 hour order blocks here to be disrespected. You will need to see all this 1 hour candlesticks to be disrespected, because if not, price is just gonna keep continuing going up. So what you want to see is price going there, use it as a breakup block, going down, use it as a breakup block, and then keep going down. So this is what you would want to see to actually feel comfortable to actually take a sell on NAS. But otherwise, it'll just keep continuing going up. Honestly, it'll just keep continuing to actually go up. So yeah, unless you want to scalp, you want a quick scalp. We'll play it on merit. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. And while you're here, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribed while you're still here. Ultimately, I'll take what it gives me. Okay. Dope. But as for me, I don't want to fuck with Nas right now. I need a clean. Let me use the features chart, but it's too, has a lot of volume imbalances. Let me just get a clean gold chart. Yeah, from the monthly, right? So what you want to pay attention to, obviously, it's your PD arrays, your liquidity. Where are we? Where are we going? No, who took who took where, right? And then as you can see from here, prices failed to take out that high. We reversed, went into a sell side. We did take out the sell side, and then prices started reversing. That's what you want to pay attention to on the monthly, especially just liquidity. Sell side, buy side has been taken out there, and then as you can see here also, buy side has been taken out. But did we reverse into lower prices? No. But here, from here, I would have liked to see price actually come back and actually reject from this bullish order bar. But that's what we did. Prices did that, went up, closed above this high here, this monthly high. Nah, this was actually below, not above. Yeah, and then we came back to retest, even though we wicked a little bit lower, and then rejected off of that, right? The Vani, please check gold 15-minute chart will give breakout above or will reverse. What's your view? Okay, I'll do like a I'll go down as we go down on the chart, on the time frame. Please don't participate on news yesterday. Would have been on the wrong side anyway, because thought NAS would drop. Yeah, a lot of people thought NAS would actually drop. A lot of people actually thought NAS would actually drop. But before you actually trade NAS, always pay attention to the dollar index. Like, always pay attention. We'll go back to the thing. Always pay attention to the dollar index, right? If you're expecting the dollar index to drop, right? If you want to trade NAS and you look at the dollar index, you'll be like, okay, are you expecting it to drop or rise, right? Are you expecting that? And then if you're expecting a drop also on the dollar index, just know that you're not in the right market condition to be trading NAS. So as you can see, it dropped. What did NAS do? It flew up. So always pay attention to the dollar index. It's actually it's more important to actually look at the dollar index before you trade than you think. Trust me, it is. It's actually important to look at the dollar index, especially if you want to trade NAS. It's important, or just pairs in general. Anything in general, it's important to know where the dollar index is going next. So yeah, as you can see, monthly buy side swept, created an order block there, and then prices started tanking, and then took out this previous day month high, and then closed with the small body of the month. We haven't taken out the previous day low yet, but we probably might. And if we might, that might be a change in direction. We might start getting more lower prices, and then if that happens, where are we going? We got this monthly market structure shift, right, with the BC, right? Yeah, man, you're welcome. So yeah, on a monthly market structure shift with a BC, if I expect lower prices on the gold, I'd expect for it to actually tap, or at least tap the consequent encroachment before we can actually get more higher prices on the gold, right? So on the monthly, we don't really have much. The next strong liquidity is that it is the BC that we have here, right? If we have bearish prices, that's what you should actually pay attention to. Or if not, you have another fair value gap above there. But the reason why I'm looking at that, because it's the fair value gap with the market structure shift, and it's also below it should be below the 50% on the fib, right? If you connect that high and then that swing low there, it is below the 50%. So that's a discount. That's a discount fair value gap, right? Because that's what you want to do. If you want to buy, in this case, if you're waiting for a buy, obviously looking at a higher time frame, you would want to buy in a discount price, right? And I'll show you that in let me show you something. Reason why. Oh yeah, let me show you this real quick. There's what I always follow, right? Hope everybody can see. Yeah, let me just hide the chats right now. Yeah, y'all can see. So yeah, this is what I follow, right? Premium, discount, equilibrium. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, always look for sells in the premium price, right? Order blocks, whatever, fair value gaps, breakup blocks, mitigation. In premium, that's when you'll be looking for sells. And if you want to buy, always look for buys in the discount price. So this is the rule that I actually always use, especially if I'm looking at higher time frames or even lower time frames, right? Even lower time frames, I just measure the swing high, swing low, and then make sure that if I want to buy, I always wait for price to tap into the discount price. If I want to sell, I'm going to sell in premium price. So that's the same rule that I actually follow whenever I trade. Especially when I'm looking at higher time frames, right? So the same thing here, swing high there, swing low there, right? Swing high and swing low. And then what I'm waiting for, if I want to sell, I can just sell here, right? But I have to find a PD array up there, and then if I want to buy, I'll have to wait for price to actually dip into that, and then if price does that, we'll be in a discount price to actually buy it off. And then switching on to the weekly, what do we actually have, right? The consequent encroachment, as you can see, price did reject off of this. As you can see, it tapped in and then it went up a little bit. So if it's still going down, why would I be looking at the consequent encroachment? We have the order block. We have a bullish order block. So on a weekly, we also have another PDRA, bullish order block in a discount price. That is nice. That's another confluence to actually pay attention to if you're expecting price to actually dip lower, right? So that's another key PDRA that you gotta be looking at. And then with that, and also this is still a microstructure shift on a weekly chart, but we also want to pay attention to that weekly order block. And then going down to the daily, what do we have? Just the noises up there. And then also we got this microstructure shift here with the BC, you know. So it's things like this. Is it in a discount? Yes, it's also in a discount. Once it drops below the 50%, it's in a discount. So whatever PDRA, if prices starts rejecting and start giving more higher, what is this, bullish PDRAs, you know that the market is actually preparing to actually start buying right now. It's actually preparing to start buying. So this is what you do. Just keep paying attention to that from the daily. Is there anything else? Obviously you're gonna mark out that daily BC there with the microstructure shift. Let me just mark it for you. Let me just keep it there, and then switch to the H4. What do we have, right? It's just more. So yeah, that's what you have. Obviously when you go to the H4, that's when you start looking for entries now. For example, if you're looking at the monthly PDRA, we just want to focus on this monthly BC, you're going to have to switch to the daily for confirmation, right? For that microstructure shift to form. Or if you're using that weekly order block, you're going to have to switch to the H4 for a microstructure shift to actually form. So things like that, that just kind of gives you like a whole idea. This kind of gives you the whole idea on what I should expect on goal for the month, for the whole month, right? And this is the first thing that you all should always do whenever you go into a new month. Always make sure that you do your higher time frame analysis so you don't lose track of the directional bias for the month. Just in case if you want to hold a trade over 2 days, 3 days, you know that, oh, you know what, my momentum is with the buy. So whenever I buy and I want to swing it, I know I'm in the right place. Other than going against the trend, you know that, okay, this month I'm expecting more buy on gold, and yet you're trying to swing sell. It doesn't make sense. So always make sure that you do your higher time frame analysis. Know when the next draw on liquidity is on your higher time frame. I feel like it'll give you a better understanding on how the market, where we're going next. Where is gold going next? What are the levels on your equilibrium setting? It's 50%. What do you mean? Equilibrium is halfway point, right? Equilibrium means halfway point, the balance. So that's 50%, and then this is the 71 and the 79. This, I normally use this as an OTE, as my optimum trading entry. I use it as my optimum trading entry. I have other, obviously, other settings that I use. This is just for a PDRA. For example, if I wanna measure that monthly BC, I wanna know where the halfway point, the 25% is, all that nonsense. Let me just do this. You know, I just wanna measure the, yeah, I know that this is the 50%. Let me just, yeah, I know that, okay, if prices tap in, that's a 0%, that is 25%, 50%, 75%. This is what I use this one for. And then for the regular, just for OTE, in case I'm looking for OTE, optimum trading entry, I use this. If prices, obviously I don't use it on a PDRA, I just use it on a, you know, stuff like this. If you want to buy, I'd very much like to see prices tap into that optimum OTE level for me to actually consider taking a buy, you know, something like this. That is the OTE. So yeah, who asked me to actually go from monthly to scalping power? I hope you were here to actually follow. Actually, we're here to actually follow, because some people ask something and then they leave the stream and then they come back and ask the same question while I already answered it. So I hope you're here. I mean, the other one you pulled out showing discount and premium. Let me just go back to that. What are those levels? No, they're not levels. They're just examples on what you should be looking for. The PDRAs. They're not examples. Yeah, the PDRAs. For example, this is a, if you are in premium price, these are old highs. That's an old high, of course, and then order blocks, fair value gaps, imbalances, breaker block, mitigation blocks. That's what you are waiting for to sell. You're waiting for price to create this to actually sell, and then if you want to buy, this is what you're waiting for. You're waiting for bullish order blocks, fair value gaps, breaker blocks, bullish mitigation blocks to actually buy. That's what it means. They're not actually levels of anything. It's just what you're waiting for to form in premium or discount to take a trade. They're not levels. I hope that made sense. I hope that makes sense. Does it make sense? Yeah, you need me to elaborate more further. You need me to explain further. I hope that made sense. I don't know why this thing always switches off whenever gold 5 minutes. We're going there right now. $15 minutes. You said please check gold breakout where? You said please check gold, it'll give breakout above, or breakout above where? Are you talking about this high, Davani? Are you talking about that high? Are you talking about that high? Is that what you're talking about? As for me, I'm not seeing anything clean, to be honest. Yes, okay. Yeah, I'm like, if it can break above, you know, give us like a market structure shift, should consider. I'm trying to look, because I'm looking at this on a 15-minute. Look at this bearish order block with the CB, right? So I would want price actually disrespect this. I'd actually like to see, and then going on a 1 hour, we have also a bearish order block. We have a bearish order block just this right there, CB, right? This is a 1 hour, and this is a 15-minute one. I don't know about 30. I don't like using the 30-minute time frame. Just have it there. Normally I would just remove it. So prices can just reject from that and then give us more lower prices. So I don't know. Anything. If I were to buy gold, I'd wanna see price. I would wanna buy below the midnight open. This midnight open price here, that's where I would wanna buy. But if it's above there, I wouldn't wanna buy there. That's why I'll be looking for sales up there. But if it's below the midnight, that's when I'll consider buying. That's why initially I was actually looking at, I had my interest at this order block there, the 5-minute order block. That's why my interest right here at this 5-minute order block, you know, that's where my interest was. Yeah, and also we have this is a rejection block, right? That's a rejection block. I'll just do that. As you can see, prices went and almost tapped into the consequent encroachment, and then yeah, just started giving higher prices. So yeah, that was a good trade, but I wouldn't have taken that because I would actually expect Asia low to be taken out. But the fact that the rejection block is there might have convinced me enough. But yeah, that rejection block there was clean to actually buy from. But I would have probably waited for this other block to tap in to take that, just to confirm. Yeah, okay, just wanted to know the options entry levels you added to it. Oh yeah, those are just inefficiencies that you wait for when you're waiting for a setup. I'm here, brother. I watch your whole life and I'm always waiting for your live. I learn many things for you. I respect you a lot. That's why I already said. Yeah, man, you're welcome. I'm glad that you're learning a lot, man. I'm glad. At least I know my time is not being wasted, you know. At least one person is learning something. That's all I need. That is enough. That is enough for me. And I wish I could go daily, man. I wish. Oh, I wish. But yeah, I tried that for the last month. I actually tried going live every day. It wasn't good for my mental health and my body. It wasn't healthy at all. It wasn't healthy, so I just tried to minimize. Yeah. 5-minute on is bullish, right? Davan, Davan, what do you, obviously you trade ICT. Do you trade ICT? Are you fully on ICT? Still learning? What's your trade model? What's your model? Or strategy? People say strategy. Yeah, man. What's your strategy? Because yeah, what do you trade? I'm unable to plan. What? I'm unable to plan and enter like you. What I realized so far, about, I'm not sure if it's you. I might be confusing you, right? I might be confusing you, Davani. So please, forgive me. You don't patiently wait for your order block. I mean, for your setups. You don't patiently wait. I don't know how you trade, but as far as I've seen on the stream, patience might be what might be the problem. You must learn, you must be patient for your setups. For example, if I say I'm waiting for this bullish order block right here to buy, that's the only thing I'm waiting for. I'm not gonna take anything else unless the market starts giving me something else, but that's what I'm waiting for, and then I'm not gonna do anything to actually take that until price come here. I'm not gonna buy. Let's just say it like that. Yeah, patience. Yeah, you gotta be patient. And the only way to be patient is be confident in what you're trading. And then how do you gain confidence in what you're trading? Is back testing. I'm trying to give you guys game. I'm trying to give you guys the best way to actually be confident in your trading. If you're not confident in if you don't have patience, you need to be confident in your strategy. And to be confident in your strategy, you need to backtest to know what's best to trade and what's not best to trade. So yeah, I advise you go backtest, know exactly what you're looking for, find your strategy, find your model that actually works, and then gain confidence from there. And then patience won't be a problem. Patience won't be a problem, man. Patience won't be a problem. Just like me yesterday, I literally watched this play out. I literally watched this play out. KB, the guy that just, I'm not sure if you guys saw, but the guy that just came back at the in the screen here, he literally caught this. KB, he literally caught all of this movement. The buy. Let me turn on the chats. I forgot. He literally caught all of this buy, but I was just patiently waiting. He saw a setup, he took it. I didn't, right? But I didn't try to jump in. I didn't try to jump in and try to catch that. And then also I had this breakup block. I wanted to sell. Prices started tanking. Did I just jump in? No, I didn't jump in because my setup didn't play out. And then only got a setup here to actually buy. That's when I actually bought. So you gotta learn, you gotta be patient for your setups, you know. And then if they don't play out, I'm not gonna take a trade. If this didn't play out, if I didn't get an entry here, I wasn't gonna take the trade. I was literally just gonna tape read the whole thing and then leave it, close the charts if my setups didn't play out, and then yeah, go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, do the same thing. So you gotta be patient, man. I purchased 5% and lost 4%. Sheesh. After watching your stream now, I covered my loss and now I gained. Ooh, that is dope. That is what I like to see, man. That's what we like to see, man. That's what we like to see. I'm glad that you actually recovered, man. I'm glad that you actually managed to recover. I am glad, man. From 5%, from 4% to 1% gain, that is, yeah, that is something. That is something. Keep doing the work, man. Keep pushing, keep putting the same work. Whatever you were doing, keep doing it. Whatever you were doing, keep doing it. I am watching ICT 2022 mentorship, learning from it as you suggested. Yeah, keep doing that. Just keep doing that, man. Just another long, but brace yourself there. You will definitely get something. You will definitely get something. You will definitely get something from that. You will get the foundation. That's where I got the foundation. That's where I learned all of this. 2022 polished, gave me the foundation, and then the rest of his playlist just polished. Polish, you know, just polishing down what I've learned already. So keep doing that, man. Keep doing that. Yeah, man, that's power scalping. That's dope, man. Just want to see more. Yesterday, James is definitely not here because he hasn't said anything. Actually passed also first phase. He passed like phase 1 of his challenge 2. He's on phase 2 now, so that's also dope. That's also nice stuff, you know. And then also a week before that, somebody, I forgot who. I should actually write you guys down to know who's progressing, you know, to know who's progressing. So yeah, guys, a lot of people are passing, so that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. So yeah. And also speaking of actually also the account that I actually passed here on stream myself, I'm about to request for a withdrawal. And well, I could have done that yesterday, but I just took another trade which helped me even it's good to pay the trader. I could just leave this and just keep growing it, you know, keep growing it, but I don't want to find myself in a situation, because I've been there getting more getting prop firms and then managing to meet the requirement for a payout, and then I don't request and say like, let me just grow, and then from growing to actually fucking up the account. So it's good to pay the trader, then you can continue on your journey with the account. So as you can see, it was a tough one. It was a very tough one. It was a very tough one. Out of 15 days, it was a tough month, especially started from, it was a tough month. 15 days traded. 15 days traded. And then, as you can see, first day there, loss, profits. And then for that, from there, 1, 2, 3, 4 has been losses on losses. 4 days in a row has been losses on losses, but I wasn't risking that much, so that saved me. And then as you can see there, you know, started making some profits there. So I'm just gonna, there is 2-minute delay in chat. I don't think so. Is I get them immediately, maybe on stream on the side, yeah, you might, but I'm seeing them before they even pop out on the screen. So I wish all the traders here get funded and start earning serious money. Yeah, man, I wish. I just want to see that. I want to see you guys excel. So yeah, I met all the objectives, at least winning 5 winning days with plus $200. And as you can see, I completed 6 there. Do not exceed, follow, scaling, what, do not let. So yeah, I'll be able to actually request for a payout, which let me just show you the payouts actually here. The payouts, yeah, as you can see, once you're eligible to request for a payout, you'll only see this. So wise, and also a wire transfer. So I'm actually planning to do that today, at least get a withdrawal on this, pay myself, and then you can continue on the journey with the top step. So yeah guys, can you please explain your yesterday gold buy setup? You see power scalping, you are not here. I already explained, or maybe you joined the stream late, but that buy I already explained it. I already did. Initially, like I said, I wanted to sell, right? I wanted to sell from there if price actually broke below the order block, which we did a little bit later. Yeah, we didn't break. I was expecting this closure to be below here, so price can go back and retest and then sell it from there, but I didn't get that. As you can see, it actually happened a little bit later and then prices dropped. But for the buy, I used a fib measured here to the low, to the, like this, waited for that OTE setup. Then as you can see, price tapped the 71%, and then that's when I actually expected reversal signs, went back in and then came back. On the 1 minute, there's an order block right there. On the 1 minute, there's a bullish order block. There you go. On the 1 minute, there's a bullish order block there that is created, and then as you can see, price is rejected off of from that. So that's when I actually took the buy. You know, not complicated. OTE setup, I could have just blindly bought from the OTE, but I don't do that. I'll always wait for confirmation. It's either a market structure shift or a bullish PD array, and in this case it's a bullish order block, and then prices went to tap that, and then we went up. So that was a buy idea. That was a buy idea. And also, if you look at the 15 minutes, if you don't want to use the OTE, if you don't understand the OTE, there's still another if you look at the 15-minute, there's a market structure shift. I'll consider this is a breakaway gap, which doesn't have to be fully rebalanced. As you can see there, we tapped below that bullish fair value gap, and then what you can do is wait for a market structure shift or bullish inefficiencies, and then that's what I got on the 1 minute. That's what I got, and then yeah, that's how I took the buy. Simple like that. If you don't use the want to use the 15-minute, you also got that 5-minute BC there. As soon as we tapped into it, we didn't tap into the halfway point, but we tapped into it, and then prices started rejecting. That was the whole idea. Don't expect yourself to get this type of movement from the jump. It's something that you gotta practice, do it over and over, understand it. Sometimes it's just you just know for some reason. You just know that, okay, this is gonna play out, just in you. The trades that you actually just feel that this is gonna play out, or this is actually gonna hit SL. You just feel, literally. Once you start doing something for so long, you'd feel that, nah, this trade is gonna hit SL, or this is actually gonna hit TP. You just feel it. So yeah, me yet to pass an evaluation. Inspiration right there, Alan. Yeah, man, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. You're also trading Top Step, right? You're also trading Top Step. Last time I checked, you're also trading Top Step. So pass that thing, man. Pass that thing. Request for a payout. Pay yourself, so that you know exactly what you're working for. So yeah, and then currently we're here. Oh shit. Okay, mental has been my weakness, building psychology and discipline. Yeah, that's what I struggled with for the longest time myself, honestly. The psychological part is what has been an issue, something that I struggled with for the longest time. But it's not actually easy. I can't say it's easy to overcome that, but yeah, man, I don't know what to actually say, right? Because I think I'll even say this over and over again, right? It's not hard to overcome that but the steps are actually easy to do that. It's so simple that it seems so complicated, right? Because I can tell you simple things like how do you overcome your psychology and discipline in trading? Back test. You're like, nah, that has nothing to do with psychology. I wanna focus on, but that's the thing, that's how you start, right? That's how the whole journey starts on how to deal with something. You need to be confident in it, right? You need to be confident in it, and then at times you would trade maybe the whole week and then trade something that you know is been working for you, and then for that week or for that month it makes no sense. Nothing, all setups hits SL, your trades don't play out as you planned, and then psychology gets the best of you. Now you're no longer disciplined, now you're no longer patient for your setups, now you're just all over the place psychologically because it hasn't been working. You think that, nah, maybe something I'm doing wrong. Well, you're actually doing everything right, you're just not in the right market condition, right? So knowing then in a losing streak that you know you're doing everything fine, you're just not in the right market condition, and you know that you've been following your trading plan, is what you need to actually overcome. That's what you need. So yeah, man, I don't want to say it's easy, but to follow there, it's actually it's simple that it seems so complicated for us. So work on your psychology, man, work on your discipline, work on your patience. You'll be fine. It sucks, I know it sucks. Oh, I don't know who introduced me to forex, but whoever did, man, yeah, I hate them and love them at the same time. I hate and love them at the same time, because this thing is not easy as people say. It is. Actually, it is not. Here's the chief update. Tipping. Okay, I'll look at that. I want to go do something. Same here. Emotional always gets me. Yeah. Let me go that, and then we'll discuss through the psychological part. Just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. When I'm not trading, everything follow textbook. When I press the button, market's creating, because you see, that's something that you have to consider. That's why people say, like, psychology plays a big role into your trading, because when you're watching from hindsight, maybe you're just tape reading, maybe you don't have an account, you don't have anything, you're just analyzing, everything plays out, because at that point your emotions are away from the trade itself. Like, you easily manage your emotions when you're tape reading, when you're just analyzing, as compared to actually executing. Because the minute you have an account, all your emotions FOMO, you're not disciplined, you're not patient. You're not patient to take the trade. That's the problem. All your emotions kick in whenever you have an account. But when you don't, when you're just tape reading, when you're just analyzing from hindsight, looking at the market from hindsight, your emotions are detached from the market itself. So it's easy to manage that. It's easy to see the proper setups, what to trade and what not to trade. It's easy to see that. So the aim is actually apply that same mindset, like you're not trading at all, like you're just tape reading. Literally, you shouldn't feel the difference between executing and not executing, right? There shouldn't be a difference between trading a demo and trading a real account. That's the main aim. Make a real account feel like you're just trading a demo. That's the main aim. Once you start feeling like that, when you start feeling closer to that, you know that you're actually doing fine. You're actually doing fine. When you hit that SL, you don't feel that much. That's the main aim. That's the main aim. That's the aim. I'll be guys, I'll be back in a few minutes. conversation is like 33 seconds. It's fine. 170, and then this guy's eventually not fine, so I'll need that with one choice, which is either use your visual or you send it to my Bitvest, which is immediate transfer. Yeah, either way it's fine. You can just add that on top of, I'll just pay it back. Because how much do they charge you for immediate transfer? 30, is it 30 something? Yeah. Either way it's fine. Hey guys. Yeah, the struggle is real. We'll get there. Thanks for encouragement. Hey man, you're welcome. You're welcome. You are welcome. Psychology, dealing with psychology is the problem. Is the biggest problem. Even I, for so long, I thought like maybe what I'm trading is not working out, while it's actually just my psychology. What is this big? Okay. While is this my psychology? Excuse me, behind trading. It's always the case, man. It's always the case. Sorry guys, I'm still euro. Sorry guys, I'm just busy with some H4. What are you looking at on H4? What are you looking at? Because currently we're in a CB. Alright, so they're looking at the CB or you're looking at the order block. So what are you looking at? My main problem is I have a strategy that works when I backtest, but I'm still battling with fear of not wanting to lose when I see my setup in live. My guy, that's fear that you gotta face. You have to face that fear. You gotta start executing more. Start executing more, my guy. Fear of losing. You're in the wrong industry. Yeah, hold it up. You're in the wrong industry. If you're losing, you're in the wrong industry. Should feel the same as looking death in the eye. Must face it straight. If you see a setup, knowing very well that with the back testing it's a high probability setup, take it. Don't think about it. Don't try to use your emotions. Don't try to use your emotions. Idu, Wagwan, man. Wagwan. Planning to sell USD shifts, USD Swiss. It's also taken Asia high. Yeah, let me do some real quick. How you doing, man? Edu, how you doing, man? How you doing, man? What? Just stopping by to drop off my like focus is on PPI today. Yeah. We will see. Yeah, we'll see PPI what's happening today. Thanks for the likes, my guy. Thanks for the likes. I'm good, bro. Just subscribe for the 5k hashtag on 5% just now, just to get a feel. Yeah, man, keep doing that. Make sure you I wanna see phase 2 pass and getting funded. I wanna see you getting funded. We wanna see you getting funded. What? We wanna see you getting funded. Okay, saying you wanna sell. Asia high has been swept. Yeah, might as well just wait for a market structure shift to the downside, but seems like we're just going for higher prices right now, so we'll just wait and see how that actually plays out. So which one is it? Which one of you? Yeah, I just have to wait for a market structure shift here. And then, yeah, gold still playing in there, not really doing much. I'm sorry, guys, for not being here. I was just distracted with something else. Yeah, thanks, Howell, bro. Been battling with phase 2 for a month now. Hey, bro, just keep fighting. Hold it up. Keep battling. Are you drawdown in profits? Break even? What's your account like? Your voice is coming too low. Is it still low? I think I'm just talking too low. I'm sorry, I'm probably just thinking talking too low because I'm a little bit distracted doing something here. But yeah. I'm even thinking of just requesting for a payout while I'm here on stream. I'm actually thinking of doing that. Yeah. Let's see the procedure. I hope that I won't be sharing too many things, personal information here. I hope the one be needing personal information that I use wise. So I use wise, so drawdown 1.5. Dope. Can easily work. It can easily work. I hope I won't be sharing too much. Hey, guys. It's half of that. What's half of that? What is half of one? Want the exact amount. 35.70. Divided by 2. Okay, that is 517.85. That's a half. Cause dollars. And then my trader dashboard has 5 million days, and with the net yes, the payout does not exceed 50. Yeah, it should not. I think I already signed the W8, which is non-US resident. I understand going forward my account cannot go below 0. Yes, I just successfully sold NAS there on that market structure shift. Got 20 points Yana. Watching for another break for that little consolidation. We'll go through that. Wait, let me give you my address for withdrawal. Ha 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 ha. Unfortunately, Top Step, they don't do Bitcoin withdrawals. Unfortunately. Submit. This should, I don't know, your payment request was successful and submitted, and a confirmation email will be sent to your email. Okay. Okay. That's interesting. We'll just see. We'll see how that goes. So this is the 100K that I actually traded live here with you and passed it here with you on the stream. And here's the withdrawal. That is nice. I should do more. I actually want to get another challenge. And I think I promised you that, guys. I think I promised you another challenge that I should get, trade it here with you guys, and then try to pass it, get a payout. So definitely, yeah, only up from here. Yeah, man, definitely. Now that giveaway makes it rigged to my advantage. Oh my days. Yeah, guys, I told you guys, 500 subscribers, I'm definitely doing that giveaway. I know it's a lot to ask from you guys, but 500, guys, I know it's not that much. You know, I'll definitely do a giveaway. Definitely. Most def. Most def. Yeah. What else? Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That is it. Nas. Olela said successfully sold a little bit. Successfully sold a little bit. We got the inversion there. That is good. Prices might reject off of that. You said you sold 20 points, Nyana. I'm guessing 20 points, that's 2 handles, isn't it? It's 20 points, 2 handles. How many handles is 2 points? How many handles is this? Yes, the handles are still trapping me now. They're still showing me flames. I can't calculate handles. You said watching from another break for that level consolidation. Which time frame are you actually looking at, Kalel? Which time frame are you actually looking at? Which time frame are you actually looking at? Mm-hmm. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah, a true futures trader, my guy. When you start using 1 minute and 30 seconds, you know, futures traders, that's the playground. Waiting for a tap in that buy. What? Buy? You wanna buy? I'm confused, man. I'm confused what you're looking for. Davine gold is at order block. Let's see gold. I don't really know what I'm actually looking at, especially on gold, honestly. Which auto block are you looking at? Is a 15-minute auto block. I'm guessing you're looking at the 15-minute auto block. Disrespected all of this. I'm guessing you're actually looking at this 15-minute auto block. Right. I'd honestly would have liked to see gold take out Asia low, but I guess, like I said, it didn't have to because of that rejection block there. 5-minute rejection block. It didn't have to. It didn't have to. So yeah, this actually looks interesting. Also 5-minute market structure shift, CB. We'll just see how that actually plays out. We took out buy side here. You know, we might continue. I'm like looking at a higher time frame. Honestly, it's giving me bearish movement. It's giving me bearish. It's giving bearish. So it might just go lower, but we'll just see how that actually plays out. Waiting for a tap in that buy now, running without me. Yes, I think it'll reverse from there. Will I enter on a sell? I don't know. Probably. If I get a market structure shift. It's a 15-minute auto block, right? It's a 15-minute auto block. I'll wait for 1-minute market structure shift. We haven't really tapped into it, so not yet. We haven't really tapped into the 15-minute auto block. So once we do, I'll wait for a 1-minute market structure shift, and yeah, I'll definitely take it. If that confirms, definitely I'm gonna take the sell. Kalela said long from, let's see how you are. Nice. I like how price just took out this low, turtle swoop that low, and also we're in a BC. Good position to be in. We just rebalance that inversion. What's your target? What's your target? What is your target? What is your target? Let's see here. Just wanna look at the chart here. What's the target? What's your target? Nah, it's fine. Let me just use this. I hope price doesn't reject from this inversion, because this might be a market structure shift and then rebalancing the inversion. So what I would like to see is price actually break above it and then come and use it as a, you know, support or something like that. Looking for 25 points. You said you sold from, I mean, you longed from 642.75. How Sway? How are you trading futures? Oh, what's happening? Or maybe it's on a micro, but it should be the same price. It should be the same price, unless you didn't give me the right. You're probably trading a micro. Okay, 7, 5. Yeah, it's a micro. It is a micro. Oh yeah, nice. What is 25 points? What is 25 points? How do you measure 25 points? Is this 25 points? Is this 25 points? Is that how you measure? Because I would have looked at this. This to me is 10 handles. It's 10 handles. Or you're looking for 25 handles. Is that what's happening? Is that 25 handles? Yeah, we're waiting for a market structure shift to sell here. Let's see how that actually plays out. It's saying 667. What do you mean 667? Let me look at the. I should look at the continuous contract. I don't know why I'm here. Push. Which one is it again? Which one are we using? June. Guys, which one are we using? Hey, guys. Oh, 2025. I didn't see that. That is crazy. I didn't actually see it as 2025. June. I should just stick to this because this one is nasty. You said, I don't know, you said 657. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's 667. Yeah, that's your 25, I guess. Yeah, that's your 25 points, which is 10 handles, right? That's 10 handles, isn't it? That should be 10 handles. I don't know, I'm just guessing it's 10 handles. I hope it is 10 handles. Yeah, ticks 10 100, which means 10. So far it's playing out nicely. That's dope. Seems I like how I'm not sure with handles, to be honest. Yeah, because you are looking at, let me see if this is, no, what the hell? Let's see, something. Yeah. So yeah, that's, hey, I was trying to find that a handle and point was the same. I don't know. No, not really. I don't think so. I do not think so. 100s, depending on how you're looking at it, because you're looking at this 25. I don't know, I might be wrong. I wish Q was here, because I think he's the one who knows exactly what the handles are. But I look at this for the handles. This is 10 handles, and then I'm not sure about this, what that's for. So yeah, push my entry up to 150, and I'm now hoping it goes up. Yeah, it's probably log profits. Damn, we're about to get tagged out. And this is an auto block. If I were you, I'll just place it a little bit below the auto block. But if you just wanna close it, put it there, that's dope. It is what it is. But for me, guys, I'm staying away from NAS. Excuse me. Euro USD also, I'm staying away today. I am staying away from Euro USD. Someone said Euro Swiss also. I'm guessing I'm still waiting for that sell. GBP JPY. We've been bullish. We've just been getting higher prices, which is interesting. Swept all the buy side liquidity, which is nice. Very nice. Very nice. So yeah. And then I feel like I'm trying to backtest a strategy to actually trade the GBP JPY. Yeah, to actually backtest this, the best way to trade this, because it's mostly active in Asia, and in London it's always like a continuation. London seems to be a continuation. So I just want to see how that actually plays out. GBP AUD, Asia high swept. Yeah, looking a little bit sketchy, also not interesting for me. GBP USD I haven't really checked today. Seems like a good buy, honestly. GBP USD seems like a good buy. I feel like if I wanted to buy, I should have just taken the GBP USD. We got that 15-minute BC there. After the consolidation, I can just use the auto blocks there. Prices went up. This would be a good buy to Asia high. Would be a good clean buy to take out Asia high. But we're gonna do that probably not just Asia high. for this buy side liquidity there. So it would have been something like this, right? It would have been something like that, you know. Quick scalp, 5 pips for 13 pips. This would have been a nice trade, but I don't wanna mess around with the dollar. I don't wanna mess around with the dollar at all. So yeah, let's see what's happening. Oh, it should be fine. It is pushing up. You should be fine. Are you fine? Are you still holding? Wait, are you still holding? Because if you said you pushed it up here, you probably tagged out. Wait. You probably tagged out 50. Holding. Ah, that's dope. That's dope. Ah, that's dope. So as for me, I'm still waiting for that push up into that 15-minute order block. Then wait for a market structure shift on a 1 minute to sell. Short-term sell. Because it's a 1 minute time frame. Or 5 minutes. We'll just see how that actually plays out. What do you guys have besides gold? $665.50 is your target. Oh, it's just there. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it. Plus, is this bearish order block there? Oh, that was it. Yeah, that's a target. Dope. Should hit. I missed my entry on EU and it played out. What did you have on EU? Ooh, that's clean. I didn't actually pay attention to the EU today. It also was a clean buy because it was a stronger one as compared to the GU. I know I said GU was the better one, but no, I lied. It was cap. It was cap. But why would I have taken the trade? That's a question. Maybe a 1 minute after. Why would I have taken the trade? Any market structure shift that I would have taken? Maybe that, but that's not a high probability market structure shift that I would actually consider. 5 minute. But where would I have taken the trade? That's the question. I don't think I would have taken it. I don't think I would have taken. Euro. I do not think so. So yeah, I had a sell set up on German, but it's already tanking. Yeah. Yeesh. Guess we just turtle souped this, then started tanking down. Did we get a 5-minute maybe entry? One-minute entry. All this just played out without proper entries. Even this, what would be the entry be? Nothing. I also wouldn't have taken it because there's no entry for me. 600 bucks Nyana in with 2 contract. Just move to BE. Are you trading the micro or the E-mini? Are you trading the E-mini or micro? Because I know London doesn't have that much volume, so with 2 contract is fine. With 2 contracts you can still manage, unlike New York. It's mini. Okay, E-mini. Dope. Makes sense. Yep, was expecting a tap into the 15-minute fair value gap for sure, but we failed to do that, and it's the only fair value gap after market structure shift. This was the only fair value gap. It was the only one, but we got this rejection block here, so we got that too. We broke below. As soon as we broke below, that's one thing. You gotta also try to implement breaker blocks. I mean rejection blocks. They have been very juicy lately, honestly, especially on gold too. This is a rejection block. Rejection block. Let's see. Let me just save this. Rejection block. Yeah, that is a very process reject. It literally closed below the rejection block and then went back to retest mean threshold. Look how clean the test to halfway point is. Literally to the rejection block halfway point. That's when you should actually be looking for a sell. So that was an entry. That could have been an entry. I don't even know what to call this. This is a rejection block in breaker rejection. I know there's no such thing. As, but what do you call an inverse breaker block? I mean rejection block. Is it still a breaker block? Yeah, I don't know what to call a reverse. But yeah, it is a rejection block. I don't know. No, it's a breaker block. So yeah, look at how it tapped into it. Hey man, it's a block. Hey, all this rejection, breaker, mitigation blocks, they're all blocks, man. Hey, I'm tired too now. SAT with this lingos now. Hey. Yeah, we got that. So that would have been a nice entry there. Very, very nice. Mentally being tested, not moving right. Looks like it wants to reverse. Hey man, taken out at BE. Oh yeah. Guess what? You didn't lose anything, so you're fine. Broke even. You're fine, man. You're fine. You fine. Rejection is total soup. Rejection is total soup. Total soup is a price, is one price take out on a high, a swing high, then reject from there. So yeah. Okay, makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. Qolela makes sense. Dope. I actually get it now, what you were trying to say. Yeah. Look at how we are just Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, look at how we're just rejecting off of this. What are we rejecting off of from? Yeah, 1 minute is a little bit noisy. That's this stuff. So yeah. Nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Ooh. Okay, sorry. Looking for sales in silver, but it ain't giving entry. check silver in a while. True trader silver and gold both are slow. Yeah. Silver. Let's just take you. Jesus, not futures. Hey. Yeah, they're very choppy. Look at the 15-minute candlesticks. They're just... And then silver's looking a little bit... What am I seeing on silver? 30 minutes is looking a little bit sus on silver. A little bit sus. Very suspicious. And then it's also a 1 hour order block, 15-minute order block down there. Bullish order block, so it's very looking suspicious. So if you're trying to sell, where are you trying to sell it from? What's your entry here? Oh, breaker block also. Consequent encroachment. Mean threshold of the breaker block actually makes sense. This is clean. This is actually clean. 15-minute microstructure shift hasn't yet happened. So yeah, actually makes sense. 1 hour OTE also. There's that. Let me just see. Where you measuring from? If you say 1 hour, are you taking from that to here? Okay, where are you taking that from? Because it's in discount. You might have the 60 something percent. What is it? The 60 what? Okay, I don't have it. Yeah. So yeah, the sell actually still looks clean. And also looking at the that H4 breaker block. So yeah, that's right. Oh, dope. So also there's that confluence too. ICT explains all his different blocks in the 2016 mentorship month 4. Anyone who is interested to check it out. You know what? I'm also interested in checking it out, revisiting that. Honestly, I'm interested, very interested. Okay, let me do this while before I forget. SMT in 5 minutes. We'll check that. Thanks Kolela for pointing that out. I actually want to go back also myself. I want to also go back and polish down my order blocks. Well, I know my order blocks, man, the blocks, I just need to stick the mitigations, rejections. That's what I need to, because the breakers, it's my bread and butter, that one. The breaker blocks and bullish and bearish is just, it's my bread and butter. Month 5, innit? What the hell are you? Wait, is it 2016? Hey. Oh, month 4. There we go. Yeah, there's the order block, mitigation block, that's what I need. Breaker block, I'm good. Rejection blocks, I need to, yeah. Here's a plug, guys. Here's a plug. Let me do this. Here's a plug. Let me just send it to you guys. Wait, how did I even lose that again? Did you watch Scam that I haven't. Crazy thing is that I haven't. Anybody interested also? I just sent it to you. Just in case you don't have to go back and check it out manually. Let me do this. Thank you. SMT ne? On silver 5 minutes. I can see. Let me check on another tab. Sorry. Oh yeah, I see the SMT. There's a big ass SMT, bruv. Yeah. Wait, SMT. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's not visible to my eyes. And that will be also in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes. Whatever you're seeing is not visible to my eyes. I talking about this auto block. Price is rejecting off of that also. It is rejecting off of that. Ali, good morning. ICT 2022 or 2026, which one you recommend? Start with 2022. Yeah, start with 2022, then go to 2016. I recommend, well, that's how I started, so I would also recommend that. And everybody recommends 2022 model. So, and I also recommend it. Yeah, definitely. Guys, I don't think I'll get a trade today, this session on gold. I don't think I'll get a trade this session on gold. And then NAS, let me delete this one. And then NAS, we took out, swapped low again. We swapped the low. Now we're gonna continue going up again, or what? But the way NAS is looking, I don't want to touch it. It's looking a little bit sus right now. So I don't want to actually involve myself with NAS, honestly. I honestly don't want to involve myself with NAS right now. It's not looking good. It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good, bruv. I also started with 2022. Now I'm on 2016. Yeah, dope. It's 2022. Don't call content. You're fine. You'll be fine, man. You'll be fine. Oh. in discount on NAS now. Most definitely. Ooh, it tapped into the OTE. Maybe that might have been our entry, right? That might be our entry. Tapped into the OTE zone. That might have been our entry to actually buy NAS, honestly. That might have been. How's the 1 minute? Now I'm interested that you actually pointed that out. I'm actually quite interested in it. Very, very, very interested. As I can see, prices did tap into the BC there. Quite interested. I'm quite interested. So this is the, even though it did, but that's not before off day or whatever. If we can actually come back and test that, I might actually take a buy. Maybe. Might actually prepare for a buy on NAS, even though I just told myself a few minutes ago that I won't take NAS. Looking to catch a buy if it forms, yeah. Gone long. I see already went long. Dope. I want that favorite gap. I want, damn. Come on, dip lower, dip lower, deep in lower. I wonder how. Let me see. I wonder if what happens if I try one contract here, the normal one. Oh, not bad. So I think I'll go. Do you just tap in? Yeah. So if I go 2, yeah. Damn. 2 contracts. That's a very quick one. And if you hit SL, it is what it is. We got this inversion. We got this volume imbalance down there also. So if price actually closed below that volume imbalance, I think we already did close below. SL, yeah, there it's fine. There it's actually fine. Jesus, what am I doing? That's actually fine. Let me just delete this. Let me just highlight it first before I delete it. Yeah, guys, this is a quick buy. Order cancelled. I don't understand what that means. Wait. What the hell was that? I don't know what the hell that was. Buy, quick buy. I'm in on the buy. Trades taken. Nasdaq 100 buy. Yeah. This is the trade, guys. This is the trade. Using a market structure shift, OTE setup. SL should be below. Wait, oh, that was the order. I don't know why it cancelled. It should be below that OTE. I don't know why that order, the sell limits were cancelled. Sell limit order, yeah. I don't know why they were cancelled. But yeah. Now let's watch the madness go. Let's watch it go crazy. Entries here. Let me just remove this. That's it, guys. In now we watch and manage. Looks like it wants to consolidate. We'll see. We'll see. Scalping power I have seen 1999. What? Oh, you're talking about him. How's it though? How's the series? I actually wanna watch it. How's the series? James is here. What's up, man? Nasdaq can trade with 50%. Yeah, you can trade Nasdaq with the 5%ers. You can trade NAS with the 5%ers. You can. James, what's up, man? How's phase 2? How's phase 2? How is phase 2 there? I'm muted. Bro, I can literally see my audio go. What do you mean I'm muted? There's no way, guys. Am I muted? Guys, there's no way. Because I can see my audio just going up and down as I'm talking. Passed it in one trade. Ooh. God damn it. Let's go. Let's fucking go. James on steroids. James is on steroids. Oh, you can hear me. Yeah, dope. I was risk 1%. That is dope. That is dope. James is on steroids. Yes, it's great in stock market scam series. How people manipulate the markets. Oh, that's dope. It's on your side. Oh, that's fine. Let's go. Let's clap hands for... I hope my music is not too loud there. Let's clap hands. James, let's go. That is impressive. That is nice. Now that you're funded, man, keep that account. Let's keep it. Let's keep that account. Let's keep making... Sorry if that was too loud. Let's keep making some profits off of that. Let's keep making some profits. Let's keep making some profits from that. Let's get paid. Get paid. Must show us. I hope once you get a payout, must send us the certification so everybody can see it's possible, my guy. So everybody can see that, hey, it is. Must get that bag, my guy. I only 10k account, but I'm aiming for 10%. Yeah, dope. That is the 10%. That is also a scale target. 10% is scale target. So yeah, that is dope, man. That is dope. Which script you traded, bro? Then I buy 100k. Yeah, literally. Just use that 10k to make funds to actually buy the 100k. Keep doing that. Keep doing that. That's dope. Which script you traded, bro? What you mean script? I don't understand which script. Wanna buy 50k with Top Step. Which one are you trading, Olel? I thought you already trading that. Or you wanna buy another one? Or you wanna buy another one? Yo, you said your entry is better than mine. Yeah. Cause I waited for that BC there. For the BC, it's the only trade that actually made sense in my head. I couldn't just buy anywhere there. So yeah. Oh yeah, you said you made a mistake. Nah, man, relax. You'll get there. Either way. Even if you pass it, you won't make mistake making profits and withdrawing at the end of the day. So you're fine, man. You're fine. James, which currency you traded? What do you mean currency? James, which currency did you trade? I'm guessing all the accounts are in dollars. All the accounts are in dollars. You just choose how you want to pay it, in dollars and euros and pounds and what. But I think they're all in. Oh, I guess you currency pair. USD and gold. Aussie USD and gold. Yeah, you always ask me about Aussie. Gold. Nice, man. Nice. Sorry, I'm too forward. Answered questions that I shouldn't been answering. Anyway, yeah, this should play out. We'll see how that actually plays out. Gold is actually going lower. I don't like the fact that gold out of nowhere just rejected there without actually giving us a setup. But we should also consider the fact that we're actually in a 15-minute market structure shift. Something that I don't know how I didn't actually pay attention to that. 15-minute market structure shift. Did we get a, 15 minutes CB. Did we get a market structure shift to actually sell it off? Prices just came back for this CB here. You know, that is a very dangerous setup, but seems like it worked quite well. Surprisingly, it worked quite well. And then prices broke low, market structure shift there. We did. It's not my high probability market structure shift, but broke there, came back to retest again the CB, and yeah, that should have been the entry of gold sells, but we were not paying attention to the CB. I was actually looking at the order block. I was looking at that order block, not paying attention to the CB itself. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. EU, my favorite. Yeah, dope. Stick to that, man. Stick to that. Formed relatively equal highs there. What are we talking about? Olala, what are we talking about? Which pair are you talking about? Relatively equal highs. Which pair? Nasdaq can be traded with the 5%ers. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you can. You can trade it. You can trade Nasdaq with the 5%ers. You definitely can. Actually, I'm wrong. It took the highs. Could be coming for our SL. How far is it? How far is your SL? Oh, I mean this relatively equal highs. Well, that are relatively equal. That's still relatively equal. Alright, just swept up a little bit. Yeah, it might come for our SL that it took out that high, but I need a clean sweep above, so we'll see. James will check USD. If you can give me golden egg, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, and that should play out. And then gold, yeah. Looks like it's rejecting off of that market structure shift. If we can actually get lower prices on this, on gold, that would be very interesting. But buy side swept. If we get higher prices, I would want to see price reject off of this bullish order block. We can still also monitor this for SL. We got this order block, right? And then if price actually break below, might use it as a breakup block to actually sell it off. So yeah, just gonna wait for this too. But if it actually rejects and give us higher prices, it is what it is. But I'm actually looking forward to sell this. So the only way for me to sell is price break below that order block. Why did I do that? Order block, and then for it to come back min threshold, that's when I'll take the sell to actually, you know, sell it some more to Asia low probably. So yeah, we'll see if this doesn't play out. Yeah, that's the setup that I'm actually waiting for now. That's the sell I'm waiting for on gold. Even if it happens at New York, I'll just wait for it. I mean, like, it might play out now. It might buy now, reject off of the min threshold of this order block, and then give us higher prices. But I'm not gonna take that. I'm interested in the sell. The breakup block is more interesting. So yeah, looking to get out at break even on NAS, of course. Oh, well, it's too late for that. It's too late for that. Definitely late for that. Oh shit. Also got this order block there at OTE 5-minute order block. We got that 5-minute order block there. So yeah. But it seems like we're just gonna keep keep tanking down. Yeah, SL hit. Yep, closed. We out. SL hit. Yeah. Okay, he said sells on silver. I'm in from 5-minute order block. Silver. SL hit should have collapsed as soon as I saw it coming. Man. It's a risk you took. So you said sell from order block. Trade 5-minute order block. Which 5-minute order block? I talking about that. I talking about that order block. I heard somewhere trading is hunting. Waiting for clear shot and right movement. Which one are you talking about, Devan? Which one? So yeah, seems like here, checked out. Why those limits still there? And the crazy part is that we're still in a bullish order block here, so prices might actually just reject off of this and actually give us, because now we went deeper into the OTE setup, into the OTE, so we might be rejecting off of this order block here, and then we might get higher prices. That's the scary thing about NAS. silver. You said your entry is, oh nice, wait, no, 2320 somewhere here. Oh, dope. That is dope. See how that plays out. I'm interested in NAS. I mean in gold also. We'll see how that plays out also. Seems like it's rejecting off of that 15 minutes order block there. If it rejects, it's fine, but I want it to break below, then use it as a breaker block. That'll be very interesting. Very you, why did I take out shit? What was the entry? Long, I'm gonna have to switch here. Target was up there. Excuse me. BC. Yeah, that was the trade which we actually hit SL, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually put that in a journal. Just journal that. Play some games. It's about the word. Talking about waddle. Come on, man. What's today's date? 18. Today's Thursday. London. Nasdaq. Shit, no. It's a loss. How many handles is that? Oh, 3 handles. Let's just put 4, but it's 3.3. No. What did I do? We didn't risk a lot with the handles, because normally we'll be like -10, -15. Entry. It was a buy. Yeah. Woo. I talking about the waddle. Look at how it's rejecting now. This will be criminal if it actually continues going up. It'll be very sad. It'll be very sad. But in the meantime, what's the word of the day? I hope everybody participates, because always 2-3 people. Everybody gotta participate. We need your help, guys. Songs. What do you mean songs? Trader, what do you mean songs? Oh, sorry, songs. Oh. I was confused for a little bit. I was confused, man. See you, gents. Yeah, man. See you tomorrow, man. See you tomorrow. Let's see you tomorrow. Songs. I'm gonna try songs. At least I got some guesses on the first try. You know, all we know is that the words have S, it has N, it has G, but they're not in the right position. Just have to move them around, you know. Just have to move them around. So I'm guessing N and G should be the last ones. Angel. Well, it can be angel because the word has to have S, and angel doesn't have S. I'm guessing it's something where N and G are at the end. Yeah, N and G are at the end. Something like that. Yeah, I have a feeling that N and G are at the end. If not, then I don't know. But angel, it can't be. Fling. Yeah, that. Well, it can be fling because there's no S in fling, and the word should have S. Let's work around with something that has an S. It's a good try, but it has to have an S. It needs S. We need one S in the letter. Bro, power scalping, what is that? What is that word? What does that mean? Tell us. What does that mean? What does this word mean? Tell us. A feeling of deep anxiety or dread, typically an unfocused one about human condition or the state of the world in general. Technically, it's anxious. How do you... Angst. Angst. That is a weird word. I've never came across that word. Never heard it. Probably read it, but not use it ever in my... It's never in my yes, that word. Anyway, I can try it. Try gates. Nope, that is not gonna work. Gains is actually a good try. I don't wanna lie. Gains, you see, gains is actually a good try. Why am I typing it in the? I don't wanna lie, but S shouldn't be there. It shouldn't be there. S shouldn't be there, so yeah, exactly. So I think this is the only proper try so far. Power scalping power is the only try. So I think I'm gonna go with this. At least we're gonna see if the letter has an N, well, if it has a G and a S, and also we'll be trying to see if N belongs here, G belongs there. So yeah, ghost. Trader, you're tempting. So which one should we try first? This one or ghost? Which one should we try first? This one or ghost? Which one are we trying first? This one or ghost? This seems like a good try too, though. But it doesn't have O. The letter doesn't have O, so it can be ghost. So I think I'm gonna try. Yeah, true. I don't know why. Yeah, we're gonna try this. Let's go. Scalping power. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Wait, I'm trying to get that. Let's fucking go. That was probably loud as fuck. I should get a Streamlab sound panel to easily control the sounds, because this is insane. This is insane. Where you from? South Africa, James. I'm from South Africa. I'm in South Africa. I'm a South African citizen, national, born and raised. Thank me later. That's some weird word, bro. I know. I could have never, ever even guessed that. Not even close. So yeah, nice one. Scalping power. That is dope. And I hope, guys, whenever you do this challenge, I hope nobody searches. Hope nobody searches this word. Should use our skulls. Medulla. Your brain. That's a skull. Your brain's medulla oblongata. Somebody said Nas is doing something. How about that? No, this is cold. What am I doing? Damn. Oh yeah, I just went back to intro. I thought it was up. See, this is the sad part. This is the sad part. Is that if SL was just a little bit below, would have been still in, but this is sad. If it actually goes to hit our TP zone, this would be sad. Very, very sad. This would be very sad. It probably went for this lower order block. Definitely went for this order block, or I was actually looking at the volume imbalance. It probably went for the volume imbalance, but whatever it is, seems like it's holding. Seems like it's holding, and then we might actually get that push up. We might actually get that push up. Very nasty stuff. Nasty, 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 nasty. Nasty stuff. Gold tapping 15-minute fair value gap. Oh yeah, bearish fair value gap there. That is also nice stuff to look at. Bearish, 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 bearish. See. Also, we got that. Stop stuff. Stop stuff. Yeah. Which other pairs you backtest? Mostly backtested Euro USD, NAS, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, gold. Those are the pairs that I mostly backtested or backtesting. Yeah. Because I feel like I tend to trade more the pair that I'm currently backtesting. Just for example, last 2 months, I was mainly backtesting Euro. June, around April, I was backtesting Euro USD, so I was mainly trading Euro USD, and yeah, I was making profits, nice profits. It was fine, and then now I backtest. I'm currently doing your I'm trying to backtest gold. That's why I'm focusing on it. Can you share your backtested data? I can try.
Have you ever in your entire life seen anything so
Can you ever in your life? I can try. Hmm? Oh. What is going on? I can't find my folder. What the hell? My USD. What is going on? What is going on? What did I use? I use Excel. Excel and sometimes Notion. But how the hell am I not able to find? There's no way. I literally can't find my back testing. I can only see NAS, which is from Jan to March last year. There is no way. Oh. There is no way. Yeah, I don't know. I'll try to find it. Look at gold. Oh my days. Look at gold flying high. That 15-minute CB didn't play out. Probably use it as an inversion to actually get more higher prices. So it seems like that order block, 15-minute order block, is actually standing after a market structure shift. That's the only PD array that, but it's not in discount, so I don't know. Yes, it's making me mad. Wait, did you take it? I think you're the one who actually highlighted that for me. Wait, are you? No. I don't know who highlighted the 15-minute CB. Oh, it's power scalping. It is you. Nas. Yeah. Also went high. Nasty stuff. But we'll see. We'll actually see how that plays out. I think, guys, that's enough for me for the session. If gold, this is actually going higher prices, I don't know what to look for. So can I sell gold here? No, you can't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. Do not do it. It is not worth it. Do not do it. Can you show your backtest data, bro? Yeah, I'll try to do that, guys. I'll try to do that. I will try to do that as soon as I find it. SL will be small. Shit. Power scalping. Scalping power. What's your real name? What's your real name, Scalping Power? Or like your nickname? Because Scalping Power feels weird. Scalping Power feels weird. Don't do it. Shaban. Is Shaban. Am I pronouncing it right? Shaban. Shabam. Oh, it's M. I thought it was N. Shabam. Don't do it, man. Just wait for something proper. Unless you're seeing a proper setup, which I don't see. Please do live tomorrow. Oof. My God. Guys, this is tiring. It's tiring. I need coffee. I need to get coffee for that. What's your real name? Alan is my real name, guys. Alan is my real name. Unless you want my whole government. But yeah, Alan is my real name. Alan is my real name. Please do live tomorrow, man. Oh, guys. I'll see in the morning. I'll see in the morning session. I'll see in the live in the morning session. Pronounce my name Atul. Atul. Is it Atul? Atul or Atul? Atul or Atul? Which one? The first one or the second one? First Atul, second Atul. I don't know. Silver gonna kick me out. Looking at gold, it's flying. Silver should be following too. Yeah. As for me, I want that break, but now that it's creating more. You pronounce second. Oh, Atul. Okay, good. Nice. Atul correctly, bro. Indian name. Oh, nice. Nice, man. Nice, Atul. Nice. Yeah, this is what I'm waiting for, guys. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see what the New York has in store. It's Atul, bro. Hey, chill. Trader, chill. Hey, chill. You need to chill. You need to chill. What's your real name? What's your real name, trader? What's your real name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Bad. Man. Trader, what's your real name? Let it be a secret. So you wanna roast other people, you wanna be roasted. Okay. It's cool. It's cool, guys. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. There isn't really much happening. We took an L on NAS today. Our win rate is dropping. 11 wins, 17 losses. This is not a good ratio, by the way. It's not a good ratio on stream. Well, this is on stream, but yeah, it's not a good ratio. Even though you can literally pass a challenge with this win rate, weirdly enough, you can actually pass a prof firm with 40%, weirdly enough, and still make profits if you actually manage your if you manage your losses right, risk management. But yeah, smart play. No, hope you. That is crazy. Don't forget to share the back testing. I'll try, man. I'll try. Yeah, hey guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Probably. Maybe next week, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. You'll hear from me, I guess. Hear from me. Yeah. Peace. 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 Make sure that you liked and subscribed. Make sure. Don't forget. Bye bye.